Kelsi with Peacock Family Chiropractic. We're a Max Living office in Fishers, Indiana. We focus on chiropractic care and health and wellness living. So I'm here today sharing with you a chicken recipe that is one that you can eat right away, or you can put in the freezer to enjoy at a later date. You can make this whatever sounds great to you. So I've started off with about a pound of chicken, and I put it in some water, boiled it on the stove, and then took it out and shredded that chicken. So you'll see that I have a lot of shredded chicken here, and I'm just gonna add in my choice of items to the salad. So for me, I like to add in some celery, okay? Some grapes, and some walnuts. In addition, I'm gonna add mayo. You can make your own or buy organic at your grocery store. And then I'm gonna add some avocados. It's a great way to just add some healthy fats, some omegas to your chicken salad here. And also Dr. Kyle is not a huge fan of mayo, so he prefers the avocado in there. So I'm having the best of both worlds. Okay, last but not least, I'm going to add a little bit of lemon. Fresh lemon is the best, but you also could use the lemon essential oil, such as Vitality from Young Living. Okay. And then I like to add a little bit of pepper as well. So remember, that's your basic endless chicken salad. You can add in whatever sounds best to you. Some other options include pickles, carrots, curry. You can add in raisins, craisins. You could add in walnuts, pecans, or almonds, whatever sounds best to you, but make it something. Okay, after I've stirred everything together, you can enjoy the chicken salad. I just wanted to reference where I got this from. It is from our original Maximize Living Nutrition book. You also can reference BJ Hardick and Kimberly Roberto for other delicious recipes, and maxliving.com/recipes. And then you'll find it inside here, the endless chicken salad. All right, enjoy.